Before today, the Boeing 737 only traveled overseas to the Philippines and Australia. As you can see, the plane is a fairly large plane. Up to 120 passengers can fit on it. And when the Air Niugini chose this particular port, a lot of consideration had to be taken. When the plane was blessed at Port Moresby, Father Victor Roach was witnessed by Air Niugini staff as well as leaders from Manus province. The flight approximately took 1 hour 10 minutes. There was a rousing reception here in Manus.
Thank you, Air Niugini lo larin paluse kam lo mibla misabe also mibla 1 bla 5 bla plus palus lo PNG.
The people of Manus say it is a good service because now more direct flights from Port Moresby will come here to the province. Lately, you have to come through Leh and Medang to get to Manus.
But now we are that Manus is choosing that the first flight lo B737 ni put down lo Momote Airport.
First time no come no Manus.
And Niugini is also considering extending more ports to cater for the Boeing 737. Included is the Tokua Airport in Rabaul, Geni in Alatau, and the Wewak Airport. Meredith Kusa, National EMTV News.